Here I have REALME C3i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings. Then you will have to enter battery section. Then here you have power saving mode. You can switch this mode here. You can also set it to turn off automatically if your battery is charged up to 60% or fully charged. You can set it to turn on at the specified battery level, and you can select this battery level here. You can also set these default optimizations. For example, you can reduce screen brightness, change auto screen time off to 15 seconds, disable background synchronization. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.